Okay, so I'm back, and I'm sorry that I'm doing this in two parts. I haven't got used to YouTube yet, so I screwed up. So right here, I got the half and half. I'm whisking the cheese in, sharp cheddar to be exact. If it looks kind of red, it's because I added a can of Chipotle peppers. As you can see, the half and half mixture is starting to fight me a little bit. That's because it's getting thicker. Now, the last time I actually made this, I screwed up. I used whole milk. Not a whole milk. I'm sorry, 2%. And I can't talk. I wasn't paying attention, and it scalded. So what ended up happening is that the milk fat separated, well, from the liquid. I should know this actually because I'm a fucking cook. But it separated. So what happened was I had fat on the bottom. On top, and then the liquid on the bottom. Not only that, the cheese that I added to it. Oh, by the way, when you're doing this, add the cheese slowly. When I added the cheese to it, it just ended up being a huge clump at the bottom of the pot. If you're wondering how I'm doing this, I have my fiance holding the phone. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
Okay. So this is looking pretty nice. Now the remainder is going to be for her, like how I said earlier. Let's move this to the side. Because of her diet. Hi. Yeah, shit's hot. Oh, give me the phone for a minute. So also, when last one, I said we'll be back when the bacon was done rendering. There we go. Oh, get into focus. There we go. Crispy as fuck bacon. Just put on a paper covered fucking plate. I thought I was going to have to use unsalted butter for these breadcrumbs in mixture with the bacon, but I don't think I'm going to have to. I'm doing this like a fucking idiot. I had something special for this. Where there it is. Good old slotted spoon. Slotted? Well, because it's called that because of the fucking holes right there, see? That wasn't me. Shut the flames off on all this. Look at all that fucking goodness in there. I actually made bacon in culinary school so many years ago. The only thing I really remember is the pink salt. What's pink salt? It's a curing agent, if memory serves correctly. If I'm wrong, go ahead and call me out on it. I'm fine with it. I also give no fucks. But you have to, well, you can't eat this pink salt. It's fucking poisonous to you. It will fuck you up royally. You little bastard. In with the family. Oh no, all these other little bacon bits. What are we going to do with those? I'll tell you what we're going to do with those. Yes, we're going to eat them. There goes that. That's all the breadcrumbs that I had. Why am I doing this? Well, first off, this is going to be trial and error shit because all the other times I made this mac and cheese, I've put the fucking breadcrumbs on top, threw it in the oven, and let it go for like 30 minutes, and the goddamn breadcrumbs did not brown. So like I said, this is trial and error. Who knows if this shit's going to work? It should work because of all the fat and shit, but we'll fucking see. Okay, now we're back over here. Oh shit, the flame, wait, is the flame off? Sure as shit is, and I'm burning my fucking hand. Okay. So this is hot. Bring the rest of the cheddar over here. So little by little. Oh, damn. Fucking soldiers down. Little by little. Okay. Hey, cut that out. Sorry, my dog is scratching herself. I'm not trying to get her. Fuck, I can't even fucking talk her now. It annoys me when she scratches herself. She has fleas. We're working on it, but what are you gonna do? Okay. If you're wondering how much cheese I used, I bought 2 pounds of sharp cheddar. Yep, you heard that right. 2 fucking pounds of cheddar. And if you say that's too much cheese, well, fuck you. Cheese is fucking life. Okay, well, this is looking nice and sexy right here. All about this. You don't need to see the sink. Okay, that looks very good. So let's try it real quick. Another thing about mac and cheese, I mean, granted, the cheese has salt in it, the bacon's gonna have salt in it, but you know, always season your shit. If you say that's too much pepper, you're out of your fucking mind. That's good. That's better. Now, some of you might be saying, like, why don't you use a bechamel? Easy answer I can give you. I don't like using bechamels because of the flavor it imparts. And I need a little container. Oh, can you give me the little glass bowl thing that's over there? Look at that. Look at that shit. Fucking starting to bubble all slowly and shit. Okay, that looks good. Okay, this needs a little bit of salt, just a little. I don't really use measuring spoons or any of that because there we go. Being a professional cook and all that bullshit, I eyeball everything. Let's try this out real quick. Oh man, that's really good. Okay, so bacon, pan, shit. Soldiers are down. A little more. Cool. This one's yours. It's done. Okay. Towel. Move that aside. We're gonna have to get a container for that. Okay, go ahead, hold it up. Okie doke. Fuck yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's too hot.